Hey guys, this is Master Sabi, and this is the transformation of our closet from this to something better. So, my wife and I really needed something cleaner, something that looks more spacious. So, I started with just getting 2 by 4s from Lowe's, screw them into the wall, use your stud finder, of course, get your drill, your tape measure, saw, your sander, and everything. So, the piece on top that I laid there it is a 1 foot wide because as you can see from the door that is a 1 foot wide space that I had to work with because I had to align it with my door. So, and also we had already bought the dresser. My wife already had that dresser, so I had to work around it. From here on, honestly, I just started measuring, cutting, sanding, and screwing things up. So yeah, I'll just let you watch the video. If you like it, hit the thumbs up button. Thank you, appreciate it. So guys, this is the outcome of the whole project. This is the closet from the beginning to here. If you've seen the beginning of the video to here, now check out with the clothes in it. So thanks for watching. I'm not a professional, but I did it, and so can you. Good luck with your project, and like and subscribe, and I appreciate it. Peace.